I'm going to make pie.
What kind of pie?
Apple pie, just like on here.
Oh yeah, that would be good. So what do we need to make apple pie?
Like with nuts
Nuts.
and apples
And what else?
and
Yeah.
and
Okay, cool. So come on over here. All right, so now we just took all the almonds, and the NATO had pulsed them. Did you pulse them and break them down?
yes.
Yes. So she did that.
So
and you take. So you have something else to say?
I got the love day thing for Mom, so I'm going to put it next to the pie.
Okay, and what's that say?
Love day to Mom.
Love Day is tomorrow to Mom? Okay.
Yeah, today.
Today's Love Day. All right, well, today's Love Day, and I guess in honor of Love Day, we're going to be making this pie. Is that what?
Yeah,
Okay.
for Mom.
For Mom. What about
So I
Dad?
need a cream heart.
What about Dad?
Yeah, let me write it on.
Oh, okay, will you just write that down?
I used your pink pen.
Okay.
And it worked. So
All
it
right.
can be warmer.
All right. So you take the lightly dusted almonds and just flour the bottom of a pie tin. You don't have to put any butter or anything else. Like I said, this is raw, so you're pretty good to go. Some of that should be a little chunky, and that you'll see that in the crust. And I'll have to put this down, and I'll show you in just a second. All right, so now we just took that mess out. That's just dates and almonds.
It's
and
so squishy.
it is squishy. Okay, so now push it all in.
Okay.
You're gonna make it flat. And this is where you need expert hands. And 5-year-olds seem to be the best. The NATO, how old are you?
5.
Oh, wow, God, what luck we are. We happen to have a 5-year-old in the house and just gonna push it off to the sides.
And then
This way. No. Not just yet. Got it?
Got it.
So you just kind of make the crust.
Okay. Yes.
pushing it?
Crusty. And
It is
squishy.
crusty.
And a brain.
In the brain. And just push it down, push it down.
And a brain. It's
Now,
a brain.
what's it feel like?
Squishy. And it looks like a brain.
Feels like a brain. Have you ever
Yeah,
felt a
and then-
brain? Where'd you feel a brain?
When we are going to do this right
Well,
now.
you know, hold on with that one. So, basically, that's all you got. You just made the crust. So we're gonna start. Well, hey, here's an idea. Did you wash your hands
Yeah.
today?
Yeah.
You sure?
I'm just kidding.
Okay. All right. So we'll wash our hands and then we'll get back with. We'll start to do the syrup and the filling. Really easy. It's just we take that orange and we put it in there with a half a cup of dates. NATO, can you hold those dates up?
Yeah. So we got dates. Let's put them in.
You want to put them in?
Yeah,
Okay.
right now.
So we're gonna blend this. Okay, so now we're back down. We've gotten the pie crust. You saw doing that. We put the orange. Did we put an orange in here? What?
No, we can't. I don't think so. So first, I think we need to do this.
You know, we can probably do that a little later.
What about raisins?
Well,
And that.
that's coming. We've got to tell everybody what we're gonna do.
What
So,
about your head?
well, not in the head. So we made the crust, and that was just almonds and
And it
dates.
looks like a jelly, and it looks like a brain.
It doesn't look like a brain. So this
I
is the
think it
insert.
is.
Then with the apple pie, we took the apples, the cut up apples. Those were Braeburn apples. There were about 5 or 6 of them. We peeled them, cut them up. I cut them into squares. Now the fun part. Is this the fun part?
Mhm.
So if you take the raisins, and we got a cup of raisins.
And
Can-
we have
no.
a couple of those.
Here, now put the raisins in here.
Okay. Woo! It was like taking bath.
It is just like a bath. That's
I'm
awesome.
going to mix it in.
Okay, so we take that along with the syrup.
Whoa, that looks like a juicy willy.
It does.
Can I mix it?
And
a little
this
bit more?
is just a half a cup of dates in a large orange, and it's just Vitamixed up together.
Can I taste a little bit?
You know, you've been eating this all day. You're just silly. So let me get right in here.
Dad, whoa, can I try to do that?
You want to do that?
Yeah. Willy?
Just scrape it all in there.
Your name's Willy Pilly.
No.
Your name?
No. Just scrape it off.
Okay.
Did you get it all? Okay, that's pretty good.
Okay.
So you take your Vitamix.
And then
and
mix
you-
it in.
Well, that's why it's good to have a 5-year-old. How old are you?
5.
Oh my gosh, we're in
Wait,
luck.
I want to do it.
Okay, put that in.
I'm so excited.
You are. Okay,
Mix
put another
it
scoop in. So 2 tablespoons is half of 2, so we're gonna do 4 of these of ground cinnamon. Now this is the hard part.
Whoa.
How are we gonna mix that up?
Like, here.
I think
What about this?
no. It's a little bit. Oh!
Ew.
Oh man!
Let's do this.
Let's do this. This is the best time to have a 5-year-old.
Now I need to eat it.
Oh my gosh. That's the. So, you know, there is really no better way than just actually getting your hands dirty and getting in here and just kind of mixing it all together. Providing they're clean in the first place. Or your hands, well, don't be licking your hands and then putting in here. So, doesn't take much more than that.
You bad baby.
Hold on. And you put it in there. Isn't that exciting?
Yeah.
This is awesome.
Billy can't have it.
And you too can have this same awesome experience.
Yeah, it's a wiki.
It's great. And put this around there and just
So
kind of
yum.
spread it around. Now, if you want to make it real pretty, we just put no because you've been licking your hands, you little doofus.
You little doofus.
Yeah.
You're doofus.
Oh.
Dad, can I wipe my hands off before I touch anything?
No, you're going to have to wash your hands before you touch anything.
Before I eat something too?
Yeah.
Or just wipe on me?
So,
I wiped it on me.
just to so this is your raw apple pie, and it looks kind. How do you like that?
Yeah.
Yum! That is pretty awesome. So you can decorate it up as pretty as you want it to be. It's a little messy, but easy.
Let's
It's
decorate it.
well, it is decorated. We put the apples
What
on it.
else do I can do?
I don't know what else. You can do.
What's a pineapple?
You want pineapple? Well, maybe we'll do that on the next recipe.
Okay. We can make pineapple cupcakes next time.
Well, there you go. We'll look for raw pineapple cupcakes next time. But it's pretty easy. It's not low carb, but it is high in fiber. It's all raw, so you have all the natural enzymes and everything else. It's a great healthy treat. I wouldn't overdo it, but what the heck? It's pretty good.
We can put sprinkles on it.
We could put sprinkles on. Is there anything else you want to say to everybody out there about the pie?
Yeah.
What?
Today I want to put sprinkles on it too. Pink.
Okay, do you want to say goodbye to everybody now?
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
We are going to get the sprinkles